Close that. No rap cap. All right, let me stop. What's good, gang? Right now, close that. Ooh, okay. Right now, though, we about to head to Relltoreal. He's in my city for once. I don't know if he live right here now. Y'all tell me. But anyways, no disrespect to that. But we finna head out to his meet. It's like a little further down the road. I see a couple of Mopars already flying down the street, so I already know what it is. It's finna get lit. It's finna get crazy. I'll see y'all when we get there. See you there in a second. All right, let's get the squad. We pulling up now. Hold on, put these windows up. We pretty much pulling up now. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, if it can focus, thank you. Down the street. Hopefully it's jumping though. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it did just start. He said it started at 7. It's already, a little past 7. But, hopefully it's jumping though. Yeah. But I ain't gonna do that. Now that I thought about it, I ain't gonna do that. I know this spot finna probably get crashed though. I live around here. For some of y'all that don't know, the police be tripping around here a lot. But anyway, we pulling up though. We're gonna pick it up with just a six squad. We got a brother. Hold up, bro. Hold on. Turn the radio down. Bro, this dude really got the same color. Hey, talk your shit then, bro. Talk your shit then, bro. Talk your shit then, bro. Hold on. Talk your shit then, bro. Yeah. I'm trying to catch up with him, but he ain't trying to slow down for a minute. I'm trying to talk to bruh. Oh, he got YouTube too. Bro, that's crazy. Hold up, bro. Slow it down some. Oh my God. Hey, yo. Hey. Hey. Bro, you know where the meat's at? Oh God. Hey, pull up at that shell again. Hold up, bro. That's another YouTuber, bro. Hold up. I gotta support my bro right here. You know what I'm saying? We're literally twins. He need to get rid of them stock wheels though, bro. Ooh, he smells rich. Like, very rich. Yeah. Bro, that's crazy. That is crazy, bro. Nice color, bro. What's good, bro? I fuck with that. I like that. We gotta work on something now. We really gotta work on something now. I want this next.
I can see both of them. That end of the diffuser.
Shit. How much was the diffuser? I mean, how much was the wing?
That was like 130.
130. You cool with me in the video?
Yeah.
All right. So I ask people. I don't want to really stick a camera in their face like that, but yeah. That's crazy, bro. That is crazy. Bro, I want to get my starlights done, but like, yo, this man flexing on me. This man is flexing on me, yo. This is a crime. That is so crazy, man. Oh my gosh. Bro got stuck at the light. Yeah, he ain't whipping that joint. You gotta whip these motherfuckers. But Real just passed by. We've been shouting up the street for like 30 minutes trying to find out where it's at, but he just came roaring down the street, so he pointed down there. So like, we go back to the address he just posted. It's finna be lit though. Here coming the Mopar squad song. Let's get it. Found the meat. Finally, we finally found the spot. Yeah, we rolling up. Yeah, even though my shit fucked up, I don't care. We out here. Let me get this nice spot by the tree. Yeah, there go the two dudes I seen. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now we here. Let's get it. Roll these up. Let's go walk around. Let's go meet some people. Lights. Hey, y'all don't forget, check my boy out. You feel me? Give him the love and the support y'all be giving me. Yeah, we outside. Let's go. Boosted Mustangs, bikes. I like that scat. My front bumper should be the same way. Y'all just wait. Ooh, on bags? How crazy. Fuck that. That's hard though. That's clean. I like it. That's good. Yo, Relltoreal live and in the building, folks. Y'all see that cat?
Yeah, nah, it's
Yo,
not
what's
doing
good?
that. You don't know which one you gonna do.
I'm trying, bro.
Be
That's
nervous,
crazy. Bro, I never thought I'd meet you in person, bro. That's
For
crazy.
real?
Never thought I would, bro.
Man, all these shows and stuff I be at, you talking about.
I'm trying, bro. I'm trying. Yo, that's crazy. Oh yeah, she got the cat, bro. Hey, that thing so raw, boy. Boy, that boy. Yeah. Hey, yo, quit playing with him.
It's got a chameleon pull to it.
That thing's so tough. That thing crazy. I like that. I like that. One day though. I'm finna see if I can get a picture with him, bro. That's my thumbnail. Meeting Relltoreal. That shit crazy.
I got in with that stick and I'm with that, right? A nigga half like a Kit Kat. I've been trying to be plastic.
Oh, shit!
No, you know what that motherfucker stuff on the
Oh, shit!
I said one of my little niggas come take you out.
What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck is that?
112.
That's 112. Bullshit. Pop the truck, bro. I gotta know. Ain't no way that's 112. Bro, ain't no way that's 112, bro. God damn.
Moved if I slid earlier.
Bro, what the fuck? Okay, bro.
I think it's my box.
You got it, bro. Cause look, bro, I only got shit. I only got just the 212s, bro. You got the whole big ass box. That's crazy. What the fuck? Bro, what is that? This thing about though. Oh God, I'm coming back. Hey. Hold on. Oh, the squad. Hold up. Oh, my fault. I mean to. Yeah. Hey, we out here today. Oh God. Hold up. My head around, bro.
You got that kid?
Yeah. Let me go ahead and put this on just in case. The world may never know. Y'all shit don't be popping with this shit? Okay, I was gonna say, cause my shit be doing it. Okay, bro. Okay. Yeah, go ahead, bro. Boy, we'll hit the curb now, boy. Boy, you about, boy. This man crazy, boy. Well, right here, your second chance. Redeem yourself. Don't let the BMW outdo you. Oh God, you got outdone by a BMW. Here we go. thing tripping, boy. I thought this thing was gonna slide. Don't put it in that pole again. Okay. Alright, a little pop, alright. Alright, I'm fucking with it. Hold on, bro. I think we got smoke. Hold on. Get up with him. Yeah, you don't want these problems. I don't want these problems, boy. Oh, shit. Hey, I like that. Hold up. Them boys coming in high. Hold up. These boys coming. Oh, the big Jeep. Tow it up. Yeah. Them boys pulling up deep. I'm fucking with that. Okay. Fucking with that. Yeah. That boy real still out here. You don't see these every day, man. Man, that's clean. Hold up. Okay. Please don't kill my eardrums. God damn. I'm fucking with that. Hard. Okay, I fuck with that. That is clean. That's clean. Hey, big C8 though. This hoe. Ooh, that's clean. This is a big ass truck.
I dropped the fuck out of this bitch. Yeah, you got it.
God damn!
Oh yeah.
Big ass truck!
Oh yeah, most definitely.
Uh-oh, what the fuck? Hey! Yo! That's hard! My nigga. Hey, y'all quit playing with that. Y'all quit playing with that. That's my fault, bro. Yeah. Hold up. Okay, this my boy squad. Hold on. Let me check them out. See how they coming. Classic C. Big ass truck. Ah, damn. Hey, I like that. I like that little liquid wrap. Crazy. Look. Hey, I go check it. Oh God, that shit brown. Hey, that's couple gold, boy. They got the same. That's gold. Like everybody different, bro. Someone in the challenge knows over there doing a burnout. Good shit. I like that Chrysler over there, though. That's good. Yeah, let's keep it sliding. You see the cars back there? let's keep it sliding. I don't know if y'all got that. Hold on, which way we going? This is pretty much gonna be it for the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. That was crazy though, man. I didn't really think I was gonna meet, you know what I'm saying, big YouTubers like that. And I'm now just starting out. Like this is crazy, man. But yeah, man, let me not drag this video longer than it's gonna have to be. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. And yeah, stay tuned. We coming up all 2021 and 2022, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.